To get views in the subscriber depends on many reasons. There are reasons which are causing the lack of subscribers and the views. Okay, in this video we are going to talk about how to get more views, and then among the reasons that are avoiding you to get more views and the subscribers, there is the big reason, the reason of time. The time at which you post your videos is impacting your channel. Okay, if you are a beginner, it's difficult to know the best time at which you have to post your videos. To know it, you have to post at different time and then analyze the result that you get from your videos. Okay, but if you are in the middle or if you are pro, I think that you don't have that problem because you have been working on YouTube a long time. Okay, yeah, if you know the best time at which you have to post your video, it will help you to grow your channel and then you will get views and subscribers. But this was the first element, the first reason why you are not getting views and subscribers. For example, if you post videos when your audience is not online, you will miss the views and you will miss the subscribers. You will get few subscribers because you post when they were busy, when they were working. Okay, if you are a beginner, let me advise you to post your video sometimes in weekends. In weekends, people are somehow free and they can use their YouTube and their different social medias. Okay, if you post in weekends, there are many chances to get views from your audience. Okay, so to know the best time at which you have to post your videos, you have to go in your YouTube Studio application. If you are using a mobile, try to go in your YouTube Studio application and open it. You will find the time, the best time, the exact time at which your audience is on YouTube. So let me show you here. If you don't have this application, YouTube Studio, you have to download it from Play Store or App Store. It depends on the type of phone that you are using. If you are using Android phone, you will pass through Play Store, and then if you are using iPhone, you will use App Store and download this application, YouTube Studio. Let me open it. Now I open it. In the bottom, after opening it, in the bottom side you will find the 5 section. The section of dashboard, content and analytics, community, and the end. You will click on analytics. After clicking on analytics, in the up side you will see audience. Click on it. After clicking on after clicking on audience, you will see another audience section. You will see this section. You will see returning viewers, unique viewers, and the subscribers. Under those 3 sections, you will see when your viewers are on YouTube. You will click on it. So here it is not working because my channel is somehow new and then YouTube is considering me as a beginner. No enough data to show me on this report. Yeah, there is not enough data because my YouTube channel is somehow new. But to show you how to do it, let me use my first channel. I have told you that this channel is my third channel. I have 3 channels. Okay, let me change the account. I open my first channel. My first channel is having 3,918 people subscribers. Yeah, They were over 4, but now they are decreasing. I will explain you why they are decreasing. The mistake I made, I will tell you the mistake I made so that we never get the same problem as me. So let's go in our analytics section. I open the analytics section. In the analytics section, I will click on audience. Yeah, after clicking on audience, you see when your viewers are on YouTube. Okay, so you will click on it. Here it is working because my channel is not new. Yeah, you see that there are colors. These colors are different from their brightness. Okay, you understand? Their brightness are very different. There are colors that are unclear and the others are very clear, are bright. Yes, the bright colors shows when my viewers are on YouTube, and they have 7 days. If this is for a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and the Sunday. So you have to analyze this tab. You have to analyze it. You will look at the bright color. Where is located the bright color? The bright color is between 6 a.m. 12 minutes past 6 a.m. until 12 past 12 a.m. Okay, yeah, it means that from 6 a.m. to 7, 8, 9 to 10 a.m. No more viewers on YouTube. Sometimes it is because they are working, they are on their job, they haven't time. But at from 11 to 12 past 12, the viewers come online. Yeah. If I want to post on Monday, I will choose this interval of time and then I will profit this time and then upload my videos. In that case, my videos will get views. Sometimes I also get subscribers because I post when they are online. So, for example, if I post at 7 a.m., I will never get views. Okay, you understand? This was Monday a.m. Monday p.m. at p.m. from 13 there are few viewers, but at 14 o'clock there are many viewers. From 14 to 17 viewers are online. I can post in the PM. On Monday I can post in the PM. Okay, yeah, let's go on Tuesday. On Tuesday from 6 a.m. to 10 o'clock, no more viewer, no more viewers. So my audience comes on YouTube from 10 to 12, but at 11 they are a lot. That I have to profit that time and they post my videos. In that case, I will get more views and subscribers. Yeah, but that reason of time is not enough. Have to know that it isn't enough. There are many other reasons that causing the lack of views and the subscribers. Among them, there is a reason of no relation between your videos and the thumbnails. As you know, videos get views and subscribers because of the thumbnail. thumbnail and the titles are very important. Yes, if you post a video and give it a good thumbnail and a good title and a good content, there are three elements: title, thumbnail, and the content. These three elements must be relevant. There must be a relation between those three elements. In that case, you will get views from your audience. You know that before you work on YouTube, before you post a video, before it becomes a YouTuber, you have to study your niche. You have to choose your niche. Yes. If you don't understand what is a niche, I will explain you in the next video what is a niche and how to choose a good niche. Yeah. Okay. If you have selected a good niche and you post a video that is having a good title, thumbnail, the content, nothing will avoid you to get views and subscribers. Don't post at any time. Don't put on the video a thumbnail and a title that are not relevant. They have to be the same. What you said in your thumbnail is what you will also say in your title, and then what is also the same as what is the content. Sometimes you see videos with the thumbnails that are different from the content. People will come to watch, but they'll never stay there. They will leave at about 30 seconds. 30 seconds is not enough, and that will destroy your videos. Even your channel will be destroyed because there is no engagement. Yeah, there is no retention. People are recorded by the thumbnail and the title. If they open your video and miss what they suppose they expect to get in your video, they will leave and they will not subscribe to your channel. To get more views, you have to post a video that is related to their problems. People go on YouTube to get the solution of their problems. Suppose that you are teaching English on YouTube. People who want to learn English will come. Suppose that you are teaching people how to cook. If your niche is about to cook, people who want to know how to cook will come and watch your video. In that case, they will subscribe to your channel and you will gain views and subscribers. Okay, but if you lie them through the thumbnail and the title, suppose if that your thumbnail is showing how to cook the rice, and then in the content there is no cooking, no rice cooking information, do you think that people will continue to watch your video? No, they will leave at the 30 seconds, and then you will miss views and the subscribers. Try to learn how to make a good thumbnail, the title, and the content. Okay, so these are the first, I can say, the first elements that block your views and subscribers. We will continue to tell you other elements or reason that is avoiding you to get views and the subscribers. So if it was the first time, and if it is not the first time you see our YouTube channel, verify if you are subscribed to our channel. If not, do it, and don't forget to click on the bell so that you will never miss any video from our YouTube channel. We are helping many YouTubers to grow their channel. YouTube is like a school. You have to learn day by day, and you also have to learn in order to become a YouTuber. Okay, thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.